round it wasn't good. Because they cheat you on the second round.
What you do?
Because I wanted some, I got some gumbo, seafood gumbo. The first one she gave me was really good, so I went back to take some home. She gave me just more rice and just a little gravy. And I wasted my money on that second round. Okay, Lips Pensacola, here we go again. We collaborate today. Got Captain over here. Big E. I call him E40. He old school. we got the VIP section. And Lady Luck sitting in the corner. She laughing because she always catch all the fish. So we're gonna get out here today. The infamous mop bucket. And of course I got my cohort Sandy. We're gonna go out here and
collaboration. Where yours at, bro? I gotta go live too. So we got live all over the boat. Collaboration. What's the name of your company again, sir?
It's Lips Pensacola.
Really? Who is this young fella?
I ain't gotta say the name. Everybody already know. Oh man, famous.
Famous.
What's going on?
And the captain of the army is in here today.
Somehow we got disconnected. We back.
So we are collaborating today. We're going out. This Butler Fishman, but he, I told we doing a collab, and he still ain't
waking up.
You see what I got to deal with, bro?
That's them sneaky people. I'm the one trying to catch all the fish. He's silent. They're like hypertension. That's silent killer.
Have one time, struggling.
All right, brother. Do what we do.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and get this live bait, guys. And as usual, we're gonna try to shoot a lot of fish at the end. Always check us out. We want to go live and make sure you see what we're doing. We appreciate the support. Y'all have a good one. We'll be back in a bit.
Go ahead, sir.
That's happening. It's first thing that's going on. I don't want you to watch over the top of the water. I don't want you to guys like that.
Amen.
No dolphins or sharks.
That's it.
Yes. Have a safe trip. Barracuda. This the crew that's going out today.
You out at 5,000 G.
Going out catch plenty of fish. Have a safe trip.
That's it.
That's it.
Lots of fish, y'all. Y'all know how we do.
You all know on my video, there's not a lot of talking, but a lot of action. Let's get it.
Look at that.
You know what? That's a barracuda, I believe.
Almost got you.
What was you talking about?
Yep, that was just barracuda. Look at that. They did that bone fish.
Come on. He might be getting that big here. Get it in. He might make the cut, but
Get the fish out, boy. Sit back there.
thanks, man.
You sure?
Amigo.
One angler, one reel and rod, two hook rig. Let's see what he caught.
Hey, thanks for watching our video. Be on the lookout for more videos with Ripping Lips Pensacola and Fishman Butler and Florida Fishing Brothers, which is me, also God's Anglers. All right, peace. We appreciate you.